Setting up your EETV box Wi-Fi connection is straightforward when you have the right components and follow the correct steps. Let's walk through everything you need and the complete setup process. First, let's gather everything you need for a successful setup. You'll need 4 essential components to get started. Now, let's make the physical connections. Connect your EETV box to the power supply, then use an HDMI cable to connect the box to your TV. The connection ports are clearly labeled on the back of your devices. Power on both your EETV box and your TV. Using your EETV remote, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll find the network options under Settings, then Network, and finally Wi-Fi. In the Wi-Fi settings, select Scan for Networks to see all available networks. Choose your EE broadband network from the list. The network name typically starts with EE, followed by numbers or letters. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Once entered, select Connect and wait for the verification process to complete. A successful connection will be indicated by a green status indicator or check mark. Your EETV box is now connected to your Wi-Fi network and ready to stream content. For optimal performance, ensure your network meets the technical requirements. You need Wi-Fi 5 as a minimum, with Wi-Fi 6 recommended for the latest EETV Pro box. Speed requirements are 10 Mbps for HD content, 25 Mbps for 4K streaming, and 50 Mbps or more for households with multiple devices.